Evening, all of you. As it comes to know here, in our today's class, we will see what is the common salt and how we are getting this common salt, means how we are obtaining this common salt. And later we'll see what is the uses of the common salt. And next we'll go chemicals from common salt, like from using the common salt. What is the formula of common salt? Anybody? What is the using of common? What is the formula of common salt? NaCl. So, NaCl. What kind of compounds we can use to produce? That is what the most important concepts for our MCQs and as well as our this chapter. What kind of compounds we are obtaining from common salt and how we are getting and what is the chemical formula of them and what is the uses of them. This is all we are going to study in our today's class. So let us come to here. First one, as we know that common salt. So common salt is also called as what?
Sodium chloride.
Whenever I will say common salt, that is we can call it as what? Sodium chloride. Is
Sodium
it
chloride.
so sodium chloride. Now you can see, if it is already I have been taught you in the last class. As we know that common salt is a, what is the color of this one? The common salt. What is the color of it? So common salt is a white color, white powder. Actually, white color powder like substance, which is used in what is the main use of this common salt?
Preparing food.
So preparing food. As well as especially in where we will use, especially vegetables and pulses, etc. Cooking vegetables and pulses. Is it yes or no? So for cooking rice and all, very few members you can use salt in cooking rice also. They will while almost boiling stage they will add the salt. But most of the vegetables, every curry without the salt we people cannot eat. Is it yes or no? So everything, especially vegetables, pulses, etc. So if you observe, like you can see, a common salt also I can call. What is just a common salt also I can call as what? Simply I can say salt or common salt means sodium chloride. You can see the chemical name of common salt is called as sodium chloride and the chemical formula is what? NaCl. What is that? NaCl means by combining of one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine, both will combine. And what is the chemical formula? Can you able to say? Na1Cl1. So both will combine. We can say 1,1. So NaCl is the chemical formula of them. So what is the valency of sodium here? What is the valency of sodium? +1. Understanding. And what is the valency of chlorine? -1. That is what? Remember. So now if you observe here, this common salt, what is the nature? Is it acidic nature or basic nature or neutral in nature? The common salt
Neutral in nature.
Basically neutral in nature. Neutral salt it is. So neutral salt means what is the pH? Everybody should be
7.
7. That is what you have to remember. Now you can see the sodium chloride can be made in the laboratory. Also, natural methods also there, but laboratory we can make this sodium chloride by using a combination of what? A sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. So you can say sodium hydroxide. What is the formula? NaOH, which is in aqueous state. It react with the hydrochloric acid. Acid solution.
Aqueous state.
Understanding? Aqueous state means solution, acid solution, which will give you what? NaCl, which is to get water. So this is how we are obtaining the sodium chloride from sodium hydroxide and as well as what?
So plus H2O.
Plus H2O. In laboratory, man, in laboratory. Do you understand? In the laboratory, we are getting this process. How HCl, you can see, man, H2O. Sodium is here, sodium. Here H is there, H. So what will happen? This sodium and H is replacing. Nothing is there. Have you understand what I am saying? So here, chlorine is reacting with the sodium. It is forming sodium chloride. Now, here one hydrogen is there. Here one hydrogen is there, oxygen. So they will form H2O.
Yes, sir.
That is how to remember it. All of you. So still 3 more fellows need to join. Padmarshini, you understand, Kevin? Everybody? Now, this is what. So if you see, this sodium chloride solution formed, understanding, here can be evaporated, whatever it is forming here. What is the state of this one? What is the state of this one? What is the state of this one?
Aqueous state.
Aqueous state. But sodium
Aqueous
chloride.
state.
What is the state of the sodium chloride? What is the state of the sodium chloride? It is always in solid state. Is it yes or no? It must be solid state. Now, this aqueous solution of sodium chloride, if it will evaporate, what do you mean by evaporate? Anybody? Is it a natural process or man-made process? Natural or man-made?
Natural.
Natural process of
Natural.
Understand? Yes, natural process of converting from which state to which state? From liquid state to gaseous state. So
Gaseous state.
evaporate to obtain solid sodium chloride salt. All of you should remember. If you want to get solid sodium chloride salt, we have to evaporate it with the help of sunlight. But if you can see, this sodium chloride, do you understand? Whatever we are getting here, this sodium chloride, we are not supposed to, remember, never made in this way on the large scale, because for a small scale, if you want to made in a large scale, like you can see, crores of 800 billions is our universe now present earth population. So everybody wants to eat the salt by using this this laboratory process, then it is millions of tons is required per day. Is it yes or no, guys? Yes or no? And it is even cost effective. Is it yes, guys? Will you accept it or not? It is very cost effective and it is very difficult to manufacturing also. So that is why in a large scale, we people cannot use this process. That is also will come under MCQ. So what process is suitable to produce the common salt in large process, large quantity, then large scale? With the evaporation of water. Which water? Sea water. Understand? That we will study now. So, because sodium chloride is present in nature in abundance, understanding nature in abundance, a large quantity of common salt is present in the seawater. So, seawater means what is the earth water? 3/4 of the earth is covered with water only. Is it yes or no? And in that,
Yes, sir.
most of the water is what? Oceans and seas. So, sea and ocean water is already lot of salt is present in the liquid state, aqueous state. So that is why this method is not convenient to produce a large scale. What is that? Large scale in a quantity, large scale in the common salt. So that is why we can go by water. Because in natural, understanding nature, what is that salt? Common nature is present. It is what? Nature in abundance. Abundance, what do you mean by abundance? Anybody?
More in quantity.
Abundance means more quantity. More than required quantity it is present. Understand, Jesse? So it is already present more than required in the nature, abundantly, more abundant in nature. So that is why we can use the natural process to get the common salt. So how? That is what our question now. So write it please, all of you. Next common heading. How common salt is obtained? How common salt is obtained? Still 4 members need to join. Please make a call to them. Find your friends who is absent and make a call for them. So how common salt is obtained? That is what our question now. So now, shall we start, all of you? So as we know that common salt occurs naturally in where? Anybody? Common salt is occurs naturally in where? Elamati, Jasruth, Jesse?
Ocean.
It is
Ocean.
sea water and as a rock salt. Have you noticed it? If you go to suppose Janapriya, Himalayan rock salt is there. Have you noticed it? Pakistan, we are importing rock salt, red color salt it will be there. Have you noticed it? Yes, guys? Yes. So that is how to in the form of rocks also the salt is present. If you browse Himalayan rock salt in Pakistan, you can see like a stones, a big stones. You may watch it, rock salt. Is it yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys? So naturally, that is what you have to remember it. So common salt occurs naturally in where? It occurs naturally in
Seawater.
Seawater.
Seawater, ocean water, naturally in seawater, and as well as another one is what? And as rock salt.
Rock salt.
Rock salt. Please note it down. But still 4 members is not joined. Nitish, are you understand Nitish? Nitinath? Dilipan? Pranav is not there. Call to Pranav. Now you can see. So this common salt occurs in which state? In solid state or dissolved state in seawater? It is in
Dissolved state in seawater.
Salt state.
Understand? Dissolved form in where? In seawater. Dissolved form in seawater. And common salt occurs in solid form. Solid form in where? Solid form in
After evaporation.
rock salt. Where it is present in solid form? Naturally. Naturally, it is present in dissolved state in seawater and rock salt, like big stones. In where? Which form? Rock salt. Okay. Now, one by one, we will discuss how it is present, and I will show you that also how the rock salt is present. So, first one. So, you want to get water? Common salt from where? Common salt from first process where? Common salt from
Seawater.
Seawater.
common salt from seawater. Now, let us discuss what is this common salt from seawater, and we can understand. So now you can see seawater contains many dissolved salts in it. That is already we know. That is why you can see. Have you tasted anybody seawater anytime, ocean or seawater? How they are feeling? Is it so sweet or salty?
Salty.
Salty, sir.
Saline water.
What, 5-6 seconds? Is it yes or no? Yes, Bhumika? Achika?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because that is salty. It contains so many kind of impurities and as well as salts in it. So what we will do means the major salt present in seawater is common salt. So many salts are present.
Salt.
Major one, which one it is? C, understanding. Common salt or sodium carbonate. So don't think that seawater contains only common salt or sodium carbonate. Other salts will be present that will go for what we can say, refinery. Salt refineries we can go there. They will separate at all the impurities from the common salt, and common salt will be added with iodine, and it will be called as a iodized salt. Now, how it will be happen means this common salt is obtained from seawater by the process of which process? We are obtaining this common salt from the seawater by obtaining which process? Evaporation.
Evaporation.
Evaporation. All of you should remember. This is the natural process which we used to convert which state to which state? From liquid state to gaseous state.
Gaseous state.
Gaseous state. That is what we should call as evaporation. So, how it has been done, we'll discuss now. So, first, what they will do means, suppose I think most of you people are visited Rameswaram. Yes, yeah, even Harini is local. Rameswaram local. Yes or no? Yes, Ra. So many areas if we'll go into the Rameswaram, so maximum of the field, we can see the salt fields. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Areas, Rameswaram, if you'll see, even the seawater is trapped in large and shallow pools and allowed to stand. Common salt, understand, allowed to stand there. So now, they will store the water, they will store the salt water, means seawater, in a normal agriculture like lands, normal lands, where the water will be stagnant and it will be exposed to the sunlight. It will be exposed to the what? Sunlight. Now, whenever the sun will be there, always, even evaporation will take place when? Only daytime or nighttime or continuously? Anybody?
Daytime.
It is evaporation will take 24/7. No daytime, no nighttime. At all the temperatures, evaporation will take place. That is what the difference between evaporation and boiling. You understand, guys? Boiling will take place only when we are providing the heating. Then only it will take place. And you can remember, boiling will take place only at particular temperature. At what? Particular temperature. Evaporation can take place at all the temperatures. What it will happen? At all the temperatures. And day and night, 24/7 evaporation will take place because it is what? Natural process. What is that? Natural process. Class 6, you guys will study that, but still you are not there. Arvind, understand Arvind? Yalini, Dilipan, Tarani?
Sir.
Bhumika, Pranita, caller, and Pranav is also not there. Somebody is missing. Make a call. Now 6 members become. 5 members need to join. Evaporation. Padmarshini, are you clear, Padmarshini? No. They will trap the water, seawater in this kind of lands where it will expose it to the sunlight. Now, when the sun heat when the sunlight will comes, that the sun rays will start heating this surface of the water slowly, and it will evaporate the water, and common salt is left behind it. Finally, the full water will be evaporated. Then who will be there? Once the sunlight will be there, they will be evaporated. Finally, at the fields, the white color crystal-like powder will be finding. That is what we should call as. What we should call ra? We should call as. So continuously the water is evaporated because of sunlight.
Water will evaporate and salt only, sir.
Yeah, salt will never evaporate. Only water alone will evaporate from the sea. Understand, ra? Salt
sir.
cannot evaporate. Understand, Karthikeyan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So water can be evaporated and salt will be left behind. So the common salt is impure. It is not a pure one. We cannot directly consume. It is impure salt. Why, guys? Can you able to say it is impure salt? Why? Anybody? Reason behind it? Impure salt. Because of why? Because some other salts also, suppose you can take some poisonous salts will be there, so they are very, very dangerous. So ocean water or sea water not only contains the sodium chloride or else common salt, it is major percentage, remaining small quantities also present. So that is why this is called raw salt, understanding, which is not being useful for cooking and all. So this salt, it is impure salt which contains other salts also. What is that called as ra? Other salts also mixed in it. So that is why mixed in it. So it is not allow it to consume directly. So that is the reason we can go for water purification. What we should call? Purification. Understand? Purification or refinery of salt. Then if you go there, it is purified to obtain a pure common salt, which is impure. Understanding? Which is impure before, because it is having
Mixed with what, sir?
yeah mixture of other salts like magnesium chloride will be there, sodium chloride will be there, potassium chloride will be there. Like that, so many will be there. Do you understand, Karthikeyan? But major percentage is sodium chloride. Major percentage is sodium chloride. So other salts, it is harmful to our body. So that is why we cannot consume them directly. So we have to purify.
We want to purification.
Yeah, we have to go for processing. There, the processing industry, where they will separate only salt crystals, sodium chloride crystals, and remaining all the salts will be removed. Do you understand, Ra? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is, so the huge quantities of common salt required by industry come from seawater only. Where it will come from? Purification, and they will remove the unnecessary, all the impurities and all. So finally, it is only we are using it. So this is what the major source of salt. What is the major source of salt? Seawater. What is that, Bhumika, Nitinath, Prasini, Pranav? Seawater. Understand, Radhina? That is. Now, let us comes to here. Next one, if you'll observe very carefully, this is what the first method. What is the second method? Anybody? Common salt also come from where? Come from where?
Sir, rock.
Rock salt.
Like a mining. I will show you now. So the second one is common salt. Please write it. Common salt from underground. Common salt from underground deposits. What is that? Underground deposits. So I will show you now just where we are importing this Himalayan rock salt, which is even cost is very high. Have you noticed it? Normal salt is 1 kg 10 rupees, but this rock salt is around 87 rupees. Have you remembered? I have been tested this. The same, that much, too much of cost it is. So now I will show you that how it will be present in the inside this underground deposits, how the people will dig, how much stuff it will be there. You can see rock salt mines.
Sir, they take from underground. Sir.
Underground, they will dig. It will be like a crystal. You will shock. You can see. Next time, if you see the Janapriya, you can purchase. But it is more good for health compared to the normal salt. They will say. But I don't know. There is. Have you noticed? It is also we can pink salt. This is called as salt. It will looks like a jaggery. Have you noticed it, Ra? This is called as pink salt. Understand, Ra? Yes. Yeah, once it will dissolve, it won't be again. It's rock salt. Yeah, rock salt mining I will show you. You can see. Rock salt mining in India, you can see how big it is, each one, how big they are and how it is with it. See, like this, it will be present, the rock salt. So underground, have you noticed it, how they are cutting? See, how they are cutting. This much big stones will be there. In Pakistan, most of the, like this only. Do you understand, all of you? See,
Yes, sir.
like that they will blast. See, this is rock salt inside caves. It is like it will be present. So we have to dig inside and we have to blast it and we have to make it for so many Pakistanis. This is the job. They will just collect it. They will go on digging the mining and they will be selling. See, this is what rock salt. Have you seen it, Ra? Guys, inside
Yes, sir.
Pakistan only. I will show you that is also in India, correct? Pakistan, you can see. So Pakistan, it is more, it is there. So more 80% of world is getting this rock salt from Pakistan only. Throughout the world, they are exporting because Pakistan, these mines are too much and they used to be produced a lot everywhere. Most of the Pakistanis, this is the profession, but they are very cheap cost. But coming to the India, it is very cost. If you go to foreign and all, actually foreign and all, it won't be available. Have you seen how much big they are each stone? This is only crushed with the help of grinders. With the help of grinders, they used to cut. You can see here, the people are cutting. Have you noticed it?
Small substance, sir.
Yeah, they can make even some kind of ideals also. Like you see, here they are making a pyramid. Like the different shapes they can make. Have you noticed it here? Yes, guys, like that.
Yes,
Somebody can keep in home. It won't melt. It won't melt easily, and it won't even become wet. Also, very very strong rock salt. This is what we people are consuming, and even it is good for our health also. So this is the second major source of common salt. This is what is the color you found, Ra? What is the color? Huh? Yeah,
Reddish white.
light brown color. Actually, the nature of this color, this rock salt is light brown color. Why? Why it is brown color? Can anybody say? Because it contains some impurities. What it contains, Ra? What it contains? Some impurities. That is the reason they will ask the exam. What?
It also have, we want to do purification of sir.
Yeah, it will go for purification, but these impurities will be inside. In normal salt, if you take seawater, salt is present along with another salts also present, not mixed like a normal mixture. It is heterogeneous mixture. But if it comes to the rock salt, inside it has been mixed. That is why it is obtaining the color. Understand, Karthikeyan? That is everybody. Are you clear, guys? Now.
So pink salt and rock salt are the same.
Yeah, everything is same. That all are same. Pink salt, rock salt, what we are consuming, everything is same. Okay, ma?
Okay.
Okay. Now you can see the common salt actually from for girls, pregnancy ladies and all, doctors will suggest to eat that. You may be notice it. Okay, normal, because it is having some little bit more benefits compared to the normal salt. Now you can see common salt from underground deposits. These underground deposits of common salts are found in many parts of the world, but majorly the source is in Pakistan, our Himalayan region. Hindu river. Do you know Hindu river? Sindhu river, not Hindu Sindhu river. So near that areas, it is so many caves are there, underground deposits are there. So the large crystals of common salt found in underground deposits, they are only called as rock salt. What we should call rock salt. Understand? So like big stones, they have been present in underground. That is only we should call as large crystals. Large crystals of common salt. Large crystals of common salt is only called as what? Rock salt. Understand, guys? Rock salt. So this rock salt, what is the color of this rock salt? Color of this rock salt is what? Brown color. Do you understand? Brown in nature. Because of why? What is the reason behind? It contains
Because of impurity.
impurity. Contains different kind of colors, brown color. So this rock salt is mined from the underground. The deposits just like a coal. How the coal is present? Coal mining. Do you know coal mining, guys? Coal mining. Same way, this rock salt is also deposited inside the ground. Like same way how we are doing the coal mining. Same the process we are using for the digging of this common salt also, underground deposits. So this rock salt which we dig out today from the earth was, it is actually formed when the ancient seas dried up by evaporation thousands of years ago. So actually this seas and all, sir, how we are getting, as we know that now the Sindhu river is not there. It is evaporated completely. Is it yes, guys? Yes or no, guys? Before the Sindhu River, it is there. If you'll go 100 years, 200 years before, means India and Pakistan between we have a Sindhu River. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? But it now is not present. The same way, this rock salt, how it is formed means in thousands of years before, thousands of years before, the seas and oceans which are present in that area will be evaporated because of some natural disasters. So that is only turning into what? Sea completely evaporated means what will happen? Naturally, they will be dried up by
Many salts
evaporation.
will also.
That is only we can say. Understand, Ra? It is ancient seas. Ancient seas dried up by evaporation. So they only will form what? They only will form the rock salt. Are you understand, guys? Ancient seas and oceans. This is what you have to remember. So these are the two major sources of common salt. One is common salt from sea water, and another one is what? Common salt from underground deposits.
Deposit.
You have to remember. So this is what, how the common salt is obtained. Any doubt, anybody, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You understand it? The most important thing is uses of common salt or sodium chloride. Very, very important. Each and every point is one MCQ. Uses of USES. Uses of
Common salt.
or we can call it as what? NaCl. Understand, Akhil Arfan? Dina, Arya. I think Arya is not there, he is practicing. Anusri, are you understanding, Anusri? Akshaya, respond me in chat. Prasini also, very silent. Tarani also. So, what is the uses? Now I will say the 5 uses of common salt. Everybody should remember now itself. Again, should not go for reading and all. Everybody, now. Let us come to the first one. So some of the common and the important uses of common salt we will discuss now. The first one, where we are using Ram? First one.
Preparing food.
Common salt.
Preparing food.
Cooking and all don't say me. That is maybe you will study in the last point or maybe not even study.
Preparing baking soda.
I said you, we will use the common salt for manufacturing so many chemicals. What is that, Ra?
Chemicals.
Next concept, that is only we are going to study. A large quantity of chemicals is used to manufacturing with the help of what? Sodium chloride. Understand, guys? That is you have to use. Sodium chloride is the most important raw material for manufacturing so many compounds. Now I will give you the data also. What kind of compounds are? Right, the first point, all of you. It is used in, where will use Ra? Used as a raw material. Used as a raw material. Raw material for
the manufacturing of many chemicals.
for making a large number of useful chemicals. Useful chemicals in industry. Useful chemicals in industry. Like for example, if you want to manufacture first one, sodium hydroxide. What we should call Ra?
Sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide. Very, very important. Next, we are going to study this only first. Sodium hydroxide, known as caustic soda. What we should call? Caustic soda. Is that
Soda.
sodium hydroxide. Next, sodium carbonate. What we should call? Formulas we'll discuss. Sodium carbonate. What we should call, Ra? Sodium carbonate, which we used to call as washing soda. What we should call? Everything soda only. Remember. Next one, sodium hydrogen carbonate. What we should call?
Sodium hydrogen carbonate or sir, washing soda.
Yeah, sodium hydrogen carbonate, not washing soda. Any doubt? Is sodium hydrogen carbonate called as what?
Baking soda.
Baking
Sir,
soda.
baking soda.
Baking soda.
That is how to remember, baking soda. Next, also we are using the same thing for manufacturing hydrochloric acid. What is that? Hydrochloric acid. Understand, guys? Next, if you want to get hydrogen also we can generate from this one. Next, if you want to get chlorine, if you want to get chlorine, chlorine, understand, Ra? Next, also if you want to get sodium metal, what is that, Ra? Sodium metal. Everything we people can use this one. Is it okay, guys? Is it okay, guys? That is the first application. So everybody should remember sodium carbonate, washing soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda. Next one, sodium hydroxide. What is that? Caustic soda. Nobody should forget anything. Everybody must remember this. Next, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen, chlorine, sodium metal. This is the first one. Are you understand, guys? Second use. Right, in second use. Common salt is used for, what is the second purpose you said? Girls are using every day. Boys also using for cooking food. Yes or no? Cooking food and as well as?
Sir, for cooking food, sir.
What happened? Without salt, what happened? Are you feeling any taste? Even though I added turmeric powder, chili powder, etc., etc. What will happen? What is the use of common salt? It will increases the taste. Is it yes or no? It will add the flavor of food. I can say common salt is the best ingredient to increase the flavor of your food. Is it yes, guys? Will you accept, girls?
Yes.
That is the second one. Write it. Common salt is used in. Is it possible to use magnesium? Common salt. Why can't we use magnesium chloride, zinc chloride as a common salt for cooking? Why can't we use?
Because it will not.
Yeah, that is actually they have some kind of side effects for them. Actually, for that also we can use, but they are not good for our health. That is why, and they are not adding flavor to our food. That is why we are not using them. So common salt is used in cooking food, and it improves the what? Flavor of food. It improves what?
Flavor of the food.
Flavor of the food.
Flavor. I don't know spelling of flavor. What is the spelling? I don't know. You tell me. FLAVO.
VOUR.
Yeah, it improves flavor of food. Very, very important, guys. Now, this sodium chloride is required by our body for working of nervous system. This is a biology, most important. So, sodium chloride, NaCl is required for our body for working of what? Working of our what?
Nervous system.
Understand?
Nervous system.
Biology and chemistry. Nobody knows. No chemistry don't know this. But they will ask you in this in exam. Because now subject integrated.
Why is there need?
Because see, biology is integrated with the chemistry now. They will ask you what is the relationship. The questions may come in such a way that biology is maybe related to the chemistry may be related to the biology, physics may be related to the some other mathematics, so that we should know. That is what integrated. You may heard this word. Subject integrated activity. Is it yes? Last year we have done Jammu and Tamil Nadu compare like that. That is. So NaCl, working of nervous system, major important. Is it okay, Ra?
Sir, no,
Yes,
sir.
no, guys. What, Ra?
Why, sir, we need NaCl for nerve system?
If a nervous system wants to be working effectively, NaCl is one of the main, like medicine. Like if you want to work, you have to take food. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is the so nervous system. It will influence the action of nervous system. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, also the movement of muscles. If you are not consuming proper NaCl, then the movement of muscles also you will get paining and it is having. The muscles will become weaker in nature. So the movement of muscles also, who is helping, Ra? Who is helping? NaCl. Understand? Main thing, digestion of food, we have one acid in our stomach. What is that? Can you able to say, guys? Please, this is the
Hydrochloric acid.
So our stomach is releasing hydrochloric acid with the help of whom? Who is helping? Who is helping? NaCl. This is the importance of subject integrated biology with the chemistry. Are you understand, guys? What I'm saying?
Yes,
So that is the importance. Write it. Production of hydrochloric acid. See, individually I am writing. This all will come under same thing. Production of hydrochloric acid. In where? In the stomach.
Stomach.
The stomach for the what? For the
For releasing
Digestion.
digestion.
Digestion of the
Digestion.
this is next sixth point. Actually, this 3, 4, 5 under same point, but I am writing splitting because everything is MCQ. Understand? Next. Now, suppose see, your mother will prepare pickles. Your mother will prepare like a meat, fish, and all.
Sir, for the manufacture of soap also it is used.
Today your mother will prepare 1 kg chicken, half kg only you ate. Next day you cannot, you want to keep it as a dried chicken. Like next day you want to cook the curry. So your mother will keep in the salt. Is it yes or no? Yes, little bit salt they will add. And pickles also, if you are not adding enough salt, it will be affected by the fungus. Is it yes, guys?
So,
Yes,
prevent
sir.
from rank
Yes.
Preservative. Write it.
preservation.
Write it.
Preservative.
This is the best.
Preservative.
Without adding salt, no food is tasty and no food will be preserved. Remember that. Preservative in pickles. Preservative in pickles, as well as next one is what? Curing meat and fish. Curing meat and fish. What do you mean by curing, Ram? What do you mean by curing? Curing meat and fish. What do you mean by curing? I am asking. This is what the chemistry and biology. What do you mean by curing? I am asking. Curing means preserving. Understand? Preserving only.
Yes, sir.
Preserving is to called as curing. Understand, Karthikeyan? Suppose your mother will buy 6 kg, suppose 5 kg chicken today. Tomorrow you cannot eat at a single day. Is it yes or no? So your mother will add a little bit salt to extra salt to it and she will keep it in a fridge. That is what the curing process we can say. Is it okay? Yes, guys? Next.
Yes, sir.
Last importance. Next. How many of you are using soap for body? Soap. Are you using soap?
Yes, sir.
The soap.
Yes, sir.
Of our soap. You are using the Santur, you are using some other thing, Mysore sandal, some XYZ soap. Every soap is manufacturing. Used in what? Manufacturing.
Manufactured by NACL.
NaCl.
NaCl. It is the one of the raw material. Understand, Kevin? Manufacturing of soap. So many things we will use. Glycerin and
Fails, sir.
but one NaCl is one of the component. Understand? And last one you write. Common salt is used to melt ice. What will you use? To melt ice on where? On the cold countries, on the roadside during winter in